Scala Quaranta! Today I'm going to tell you about a game that I think is from Italy. I don't know if they play in other parts of Europe, but it's called Scala Quaranta, and it's complicated, but it's really, really fun. So I recently learned how to play it, and I've gotten better at it, and it takes a few times, of playing to get good at this game because it's a bit complicated, but once you know it, it's really fun, and the more people you have, the more fun it is. So, I mean, now me and Enrico are just going to play and show you how to do it, but yeah, if you have 3 or 4 people, that would be really great. Okay, so to play this game, you need 2 card decks, and you need to keep the jokers inside. So there'll be 4 jokers, and then you're going to shuffle the cards and shuffle them good. And then you're going to deal out 13 cards to each player. And the one who gets rid of all their cards first wins. And you get rid of all your cards by having the same 4 of the same number or 3 of the same number, like making cards of the same number, and maximum 4 you can have, right? So, but if you have 3, you can still put 3 down, or you can put 4 down. So for example, let's say I have the number 7. I need to get all 4 of the number 7, but minimum all 3 of the number 7 so that I could put the cards down. And in that case, they have to be of different suits, not of the same suit. Or I have to make a scale. So for example, number 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I can go 11, 12, 13. 13 is, so 11 is Jack, then Queen, then King, and then Ace. You can also put the ace there, but so if you make a scale, you don't have to stop at 3 or 4 cards. You can just keep going, but if you have at least 3, then you could get rid of those that way. But then they have to be of the same suit. So if they're if it was a 7 of diamond, it has to be 7 of 8. The 8 has to be a diamond, the 9 has to be a diamond, the 10 has to be a diamond, the Jack has to be a diamond. So that's what I'm going to tell you so far. After shuffling, cut the cards. And I show the other players the card that I got. And I put this at the bottom, no?
Give to me.
And I give the rest to Enrico, who's going to deal out the 13 cards. 12, 13. Okay, and then you put the top one on the bottom. But Joker is a wild card. You can use it in place of any card. So I'm going to show you what I have. I'm going to put the cards in order so that it'll be easier. This is... You can count this as a 1, or you can count it as a... It counts as 11 points, actually. I need to have 40 points in order to be able to start putting cards down, or in order to pick up this card. I cannot pick up this card because I haven't made my 40 points yet. So I have to pick a card from here. And I'm going to get rid of the cards that I don't need. Because it was the same suit, so I didn't need that. Can I use 2 jokers, Enrico, to make 40?
Sure.
But I don't have to put the cards down, right? I can lie.
See, if you want to go down, if you not, you take there. The problem is that if you lose, every joker counts 25 points.
Okay.
There you go.
I will put these down because I have to put them. I'm gonna put these down now, and this counts as ace king. I'm gonna imagine that's a queen, and that's a jack of spades, and that makes a scala. Scala is like stairs, though, isn't it?
Scale.
But it's a scale. So I'm gonna do that because I want to pick up this card. And then maybe I'll get rid of, for example, this one. And I don't need this one actually then. Now that I have this, I can put these down now. And I can put these down now. They're the same number of different suit. And I can put that down. And now I'm left with these cards. But I still, because I picked up a card, so now I still have to throw away a card. So I'm going to throw away this one. So I have 2 cards left.
I go down with this. I go down with this.
But okay, so now you have 40 points there. So he has 43 points with these together. So he can put them both down, and that counts as more than 40.
And then I unload this one here.
Good. So this is finished. I
This
can put it
go here, yes. And then I unload this joker here. Then I give you this.
Thank you. I don't want this. I'm just gonna put it away.
I go this one, I take this one, I close this trace, and I win giving this back here.
He won! He got rid of all his cards, but okay.
So now you count the points.
I have 20.
20.
Yeah.
Shot.
Because this is 10-10, so I remain with 20 points. If you have more players playing, then whoever has then you can write down how many points they're left with, because the one with the least points is the one who wins. So if I had 20 and then someone beside me still had 30 points in their hand, then I would be second place.
For example, you just go to 100 points.
Maximum is 100.
Or 300. It's the same, you decide, no? And the one who reaches 300 is out of the game.
So I didn't win, but let's play again. Not a joker, I need a joker.
Oh, yeah.
I have to prove to him that it's not a joker, because he doesn't believe me.
No, it's good for you if it's a joker, no? For me.
So he's going to deal. It's always the one who doesn't deal who has to cut the cards and try to get the joker. So you have to take turns. So this is a scale. That's good. And this is pretty good if I get that card in there. I need to get that. I need to get that. That would be good. No, not good. But that's not bad. Someone didn't shuffle that well. Maybe, in my opinion.
It's your turn.
But I want this one, and then I will do this. Okay. Jack, Queen, King, ace. That's a scale.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna put down this scale as well. And then I'm gonna put down this scale as well. Got that? No, I don't think they see that. I'm gonna put down this scale. And then I'm gonna put down this scale that I made. And now I can get rid of a card because I had picked up a card. But I'm going to get rid of this. So I'm left with these, and I don't know what to do with that. He apparently knows what to do with that, so he... One card. Damn it. Okay. I can put, this is an 8 of clubs, so actually I have the 9, 10, and jack of clubs here, so I can actually add here, and so then I get to get rid of one of my cards that was in my hand here. He won. Now because he was a 7 of clubs now, he got to add to here, then he got to get rid of his card. So he won and I got stuck with 20 points, I had 2 jacks. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can put this 2. I can put with Enrico already put down the other 3 2s. So I made the suit and then I get rid of this. I win! Finally! Oh my god! And so?
3 points.
He has 3 points and I think we're gonna stop there. I've just had the most really worst luck ever.
They call it luck, guys. Okay?
Instead of?
Write to her on Facebook or YouTube that it's luck.
Enrico, when you talk to them, show your face. It's like weird. There he is. Man. Anyway, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoy playing this with your friends or your family. It's a traditional Italian card game, but I don't know if they play it in other countries in Europe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye!